Okay, so number 22 from page 641 on 8-1. It says to find an equation in standard form that satisfies the given conditions, and they gave you the focus and the vertex. Whenever they give you the vertex, you know you start there. That's going to be your H and your K. Okay, now I have to decide, is it on the blue side or is it on the red side? So after I know my vertex is HK, I look back at my focus and see which numbers match. And I notice that what matches is the -5, right? The -5 is in the front on both of those, which means that this is still my H, okay? So if that's the H, then this must be something else. I'm gonna go over here and look at my two sheets. I'm obviously down here on this sheet. And what was this? This was the focus. So if I go to the focus, the one whose first number was just a plain old H is underneath the blue side. Okay? On the red side, the first number is not just H, it's an H plus P, which would turn it into a different number. It wouldn't match. So the one that has the first number stayed the same. It stayed H. That happens on the blue side. You got it? If it was the second number that stayed the same, if it was the backs that matched on the vertex, then I would be on the red side. Okay? Okay? So we are on the blue side. If that's plain old H, then this second number has to be the K plus P. K plus P. That's underneath the focus formula. So what I have is the K plus P is 3. K plus P equals 3. I always need to find my H, my K, and my P. I have the H and K. I need to work this out to find the P. So what I'm going to do is plug in K. I know K. K is 6, right? So if K is 6, then this is 6 plus P equals 3. And I'll just subtract the 6, subtract the 6. P will be 3, take away 6. That'll give me a -3. All right, if I have H, K, and P, then I can go ahead and plug it into the equation. Again, we said we were on the blue side. So the general formula is x minus h squared equals 4 times P times the y minus K. And I will just fill in my H, my K, and my P. So x minus h, and h was -5. So if I fill in a -5 here, if I subtract a -5, we know that's going to be a plus. Whenever we subtract a negative, it's a positive. In the parentheses, squared equals, I have my 4 times the P. The P was -3. So 4 times -3, that means that number will be -12. And then the Y minus the K. And the K from the beginning was a 6. Ooh, wrong color. The K was a 6. And we end the parentheses, and that is our equation. All right, that's number 22.